Good morning, everyone. I trust you're all ready for another adventure in Tux Paint.
Good morning, teacher. Yes, we're excited.
Fantastic. Today, we're delving further into the realms of Tux Paint, exploring its advanced features and tools. But before we begin, let's recap what we've learned so far. In our previous class, we familiarized ourselves with the basic tools of Tux Paint: the paintbrush, stamp tool, text tool, line tool, fill tool, and the indispensable undo and redo buttons.
Teacher, I loved using the stamp tool last time. It was so much fun adding different images to my drawings.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. As you can see, once Tux Paint is open, a world of creativity awaits you at your fingertips. Now that we're all set up, let's delve into the marvelous tools of Tux Paint. Here, you have the paintbrush tool for drawing and coloring, the stamp tool for adding images, the text tool for expressing yourself, the line tool for precise shapes, the fill tool for quick coloring, and the trusty undo and redo buttons. Now, let's talk about shapes and how they can enhance your artwork in Tux Paint. With the Shapes tool, you can unleash your creativity by drawing various shapes and experimenting with colors and patterns. Remember, there are no limits to what you can create in Tux Paint. Let your imagination soar. That's all for today, everyone. I'm thrilled to see the incredible artworks you'll create with your newfound skills. Until next time, keep painting and dreaming big.